Designed to remove multiple protection and quality soldering issues, Kemet offers their aluminum electrolytic press-fit capacitors. By removing the soldering process of these capacitors, manufacturers can eliminate problems associated with soldering onto thick PCB copper tracks, which act as heat sinks, as well as eliminating fractured and cold soldered solder joints. And while these capacitors eliminate the soldering process, they still provide reliable electrical connections and the same vibration performance as soldered snap-in terminations. Furthermore, this press-fit capacitor series combine the strong electrical and long-life performance of Kemet snap-in capacitors with the solution providing press-fit connection. Other features include a compact size, a high ripple current, a high voltage rating, excellent surge voltage capability, and, available upon request, optimized designs.